check the mic and make sure it sounds.
What's up, YouTube? Vamos aquí recio. Welcome to Maryland and Harold Blogs. I am here to tell y'all a little bit about the channel and why I'm doing this video today. This video is called Learning Bisaya. I am recording from my webcam. It's not the Sony, so it doesn't look too great. But this video is called Learning Bisaya, and I'm proposing to myself to learn Bisaya because my fiance's family is more fluent. So, well, not only that, I am going to be living in the Philippines, so it's gonna become a part of me. So I'm putting all my effort, and so far I think I have 2%, 2% or maybe 1% that I have learned. Now I know there's people that don't know it. Maybe they can learn from watching this, or they can also comment and help me with some new words. Help me while I go overseas. But here we go. I am going to show y'all the word of today. I'm going to go here, and we are going to start with, let's go back. How are you doing? Let me take that off. Oh, come on. Well, let me start a new one. Oh, there you go. New. Discarded project. That's the house. That's how we want to build our house, by the way. Okay, so I'm going to draw it out. ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está means how are you? ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está means how are you? If it's either how are you or how are you doing, but you know what I'm saying. Well, that's one word. And let's go back. Let's clear this out. But this is how you write it right here. ¿Cómo está? So if you want to ask someone, how are you? You would say, oops, you don't want to change. Come on, bro. Don't give me that. You would say, ¿Cómo está? All right. Now, let's clear. Save record export. It doesn't let me clear it all come on. Okay, let's just go here and let's go to new. Discard blank. Okay, and one of my favorites is whenever you're gonna greet someone, you say ayo. You will write it like this. Ayo in English means, it's kind of like saying hey, or like kind of like saying hey, or kind of like saying what's up. That one is pretty cool. word, you say ano gawa mo. Ano gawa mo. A-N-O space G-A-W-A space M-O. Ano gawa mo. In English, this means what are you doing? Again, it's ano gawa mo. What are you doing? This is what I tell my baby every morning.